We rely on electricity every day for cooking, working, relaxing. Most people believe their circuit breaker is keeping them safe. But here's the truth. Circuit breakers don't protect you from electric shocks. Circuit breakers are designed to protect your wiring and appliances. They trip when there's too much current, usually from a short circuit or overload. But what if you accidentally touch a live wire? The current passes through your body, and that breaker might not trip at all. Why? Because your body doesn't draw enough current to trigger it. It takes as little as 30 milliamps to cause serious harm. Muscles can lock up, breathing can stop, even your heart. But circuit breakers are built to react to much higher currents than that. To protect people, not just wires, you need safety switches, also called RCDs or RCBO. They detect even tiny leaks of electricity. If power flows somewhere it shouldn't, like into you, they shut it off instantly. Safety switches trip within milliseconds, and that speed can be the difference between a scare and something far worse. So if your home only has circuit breakers, it's time to upgrade, because protecting your home is one thing, but protecting your life, that's what matters most. Call High Demand Electrical today to make sure you're safe and compliant.